of Kin, the takeover.
I swear, no worry, no play music. I swear, everything I'm going to tell you guys tonight is a lie. So we're not ready. You know, say M.O.P. they talk about Igbo events now, flavor. The worst people in Igbo events are the MCs. This guy where they announce peacefully, if you know you're the owner, if na Igbo event, you go hate announcement. First of all, if na for Abuja, it is sweet. Abuja, you know even see who they make the announcement. You will just hear in voice, big man voice. Sorry, please go to pilot one of the Honorable Commissioner on Finance. Go and report for the Honorable Commissioner on Education. Because everybody for Abuja na commissioner. Even dog where they carry for motor come na commissioner on dog affairs. When I Port Harcourt people, they like me their name, they plate number. You go here, you better make a way. I beg the owner of the car with customized registration number. Eze, Omanya number, Omaputama Panamri, Maputama Panoko. One of them there, please go and report for Chief Omotai 32. Often them one way believe what was. Owner of the report. Calabar people go don't chop dog meat. They don't even see what in the right for the paper. Okay, no see what in the radio. Toro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the back make another verse. If you know say now you pack that can I pep for that young son. Your plate number AB528 iyo. I bet go come on another place. I will come on. I won't pack him okara nang. You go and pack. The worst are Enugu people. Enugu men, you know consign them whether you they understand their language. Now one old man go come, they confuse everybody. They shout for MC. MC gonna carry melugu. Gonna carry melugu on the bad what after like but then the announcement then you go. He came in shy all the very bad. He go collect mic. We confuse. They look up. He go start. Ladies and gentlemen, you know like MC local or lekula. Ema long bonye park local anywhere. Number motor go on ENU 55 76 Sankana because I educated by fly but na can park local the very bad. Everybody go confused. Owerri people worst, Mbisi worst. Anyway, Owerri is a very nice place. Owerri is the only place where I see Ron's girl where we are in Chicago come out. I mean, they wonder, is this the traditional prime minister of Ron's girls? How do you even have a conversation with this guy Ron's girl where we are in Chicago? Maybe na cola you go give him. Then I don't know. Ron's girls they try you. And when they beat them small. Yes, they collect money for this Lagos. Please, if you know any Ron's girl, tell her to meet me. I need to address them during their annual Ron's Girls conference. Yeah, they need to do some things right. They are getting it wrong. I just came back. I came back from Turkey. DBBK, should I proceed, sir? You know, say for abroad, girls they charge money. Do you know what it means? They take money. Naija here, you guys, if you're Ron's girl, I need to give you some ideas. Ron's girls, you guys need to come together and have a union. Wanna produce app. All this, how much for a night? No, you don't need to negotiate. The app go determine. It go be like Taxify. The app name go be Sexify. Yeah, you wanna go see the art very soon now. We are working on it.
Are you a lady? Are you disappointed that men carry you at cheap prices? Are you tired of standing by the road? Download your app today, Sexify.
Men not gonna stress ourselves. We just stay hotel room, book your girl. Your girl arrives in 5 minutes. We go there room, the microwave engine. Come on, get ready to work. If you get reach your room, not be all this. Okay, let's go out. No, sir, can I start your trip? 2 minutes, men like us, now we go to enjoy. We'll start trip. And trip, how much? 400. If promo day, oh, SS money. If promo day, oh, one another, you people are confused. Just pick out the bundles, I'm sure of them, eh? All these ones where they spray, now M.O.P. on. 6 now, 1 now. This one are 2 minutes, man. They do them quick. Nah, joke shot. So now we gonna enjoy. Then all these 2 hours, men. I don't come quick. Behold, you don't know me. Mazin Mike, anyo. No problem. Start trip. Do. End trip 1.2 million. Now that time when you go see men, they negotiate together. Nah, I don't trust this app. Can we do this thing offline now? Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it.
M.O.P. Next of Kin.